Hello everyone, welcome. Today we will address a very important topic that directly impacts the financial lives of many Brazilians. The trap of interest-free installments. Based on the book by renowned accounting professor Luciano Guerra. Stay tuned as this subject can change the way you approach your installment purchases. Let's get started. In the first chapter, Luciano Guerra presents the uniqueness of interest-free installments in Brazil, a true financial oddity. He highlights how this practice is uncommon in other countries, and reveals the illusion behind the idea that consumers do not pay interest when choosing this type of installment. Let's understand why this is a financial trap, and how it directly impacts the consumer's wallet. In the second chapter, Luciano Guerra introduces the concept of opportunity cost, a valuable tool in making financial decisions. He guides us through a detailed analysis of how to calculate the opportunity cost when choosing between buying in cash with a discount or interest-free installments. Understanding this cost is essential for making more conscious financial decisions. In the third chapter, Luciano Guerra reveals how the interests of interest-free installments are actually embedded in the price of products. He discusses strategies to minimize the consumer's loss, considering different scenarios such as the availability of financial resources and the offer of cash discounts. An escape strategy is presented, providing valuable insights for those seeking to avoid this trap. In the fourth chapter, Luciano Guerra explores the negative effects of interest-free installments for consumers. He highlights how this practice can lead to higher prices, encourage impulsive consumption, and cause social problems such as stress and anxiety. Additionally, the author warns about the impacts on the financial sector and the economy as a whole. Understanding the nefarious effects is crucial to raise awareness among consumers about the risks of this sales modality. In the final chapter, Luciano Guerra offers conclusions and recommendations to protect consumers from the negative effects of interest-free installments. He suggests possible measures such as transparent disclosure of the true cost of this modality, regulation in advertising, offering financial education, and revisiting the concept of total effective cost, CET. The recommendations aim to provide more transparency and options to consumers, allowing for a conscious choice between buying in cash or in installments. So folks, don't forget to check out Luciano Guerra's book,